Desta, Pat Parry, Hamia Vin Lena, Hwedhel Adro the Spot, Ple'ma Spot. Spot drog, prys Ple'hwedhel it goes. So Sally's looking for her son Spot and can't find him, and it's time for his dinner. Usi Eve Adri van Daras, perhaps he's behind the door. Nag Usi, says the bear, he's not here. Usi Eve in clock. Nag Usi, says the snake, he's not here. Usi Eve in piano. Nag Usi, says the hippo, he's not in here. Not a lot of room, is there? Usi Eve in danan grisio. Nag Usi, says the lion, definitely not here. Usi Eve in the lasva. Nag Usi, says the monkey. Usi Eve in danan gweli. Nag Usi, says the crocodile, is not here. Usi Eve in gist. Perhaps he's in the chest. Nag Usi, say the penguins, he's not in here. Oh, Chenna, Spot, there's Spot, thinks Sally. Ima Eve in danan strail. But it's not Spot, is it? Mere in ganstel, says the tortoise. Have a look in the basket. So Sally rushes off to look in the basket, and there's Spot. Mau da, Spot, she says. Good boy, Spot. Deborah all that ginyo. Eat up all your dinner. So Spot is found. So let's have a little look at some of those animals that you've just seen. The Cornish word for a bear is ors. Ors, a bear. For a snake, the Cornish word is sarf. For a lion, it's lau. And for a hippo, it's doervach. Horse of the water, doervach. A monkey is sem. A crocodile is crocodile. It's almost the same word, that one. Penguins are Pennow, gwynn, because some of them have white heads. That's what it means, Pennow, gwynn. And a tortoise is Kernewek and English, and that's very strange. It means armoured toad. I suppose it looks as if he's got a kind of armour on him. Okay, if you're interested in Cornish and would like to learn some, do send us an email. You can either email cowaitasandyaith@gmail.com or me at pat.parry33@btinternet.com. If you would like to find some more books in Cornish, like Ple'ma Spot, please go to our website. Agus gwelys.